how to enable or disable power on or off sounds on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, then tap on Audio and Visual. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Power on and off sounds. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here, when you turn it on, the phone will play sound when iPhone is power on and off. So let's try it out. So here, I will power off the device. So I have switched it off. Now I do not hear any sound yet. So it's turning off without sound. How about we try to turn it back on? Let's see if there is a sound when we turn it back on. So when we turn it back on, it makes that ding sound. Perhaps the next time I switch it off, it will play a sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.